Hello everyone, Mercedes here. I'm going to show you how to easily find the engine oil filler cap in this car. To begin the process, the very first thing we need to do is open up the vehicle's hood. We can easily accomplish this by using this specific lever located right here under the dashboard. It is this bright red lever that you can pull firmly toward you, and doing that will successfully unlock the hood latch so you can proceed with the rest of your maintenance work safely. To opening it, since I have already taken care of this step earlier, we are now ready to move on to locating the engine oil filler cap. So the filler cap is located right here. As you can see, here's the Mercedes logo, and right next to it is the engine oil filler cap. We pour the oil into the engine through this opening. On the cap, you'll see the distinctive yellow icon of an old oil can, which is the universal symbol for engine oil. Here we have the inscription, "Turn until click," which means that after adding oil, we need to tighten the cap until we hear a distinct click. This ensures that the tank is securely closed and won't come loose due to engine vibrations. We also have here a symbol of a book with the letter I, which suggests that before adding oil, you should check the owner's manual to see exactly what type of oil needs to be added. So if we actually open this up here, this cover gives us access to the engine oil. As you can see, we can screw it on and we get that click. I'll show you again, unscrewed. We slowly turn it, hear that clicking sound, and then we can be sure that it is truly closed. You also need to be careful with a hot engine. If the engine was running just a moment ago, the components under the hood can be very hot, so you need to watch out for that. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much and see you next time.